Hello everyone. This is our minor project. Our project name is IoT based air quality checking system using gas sensor and Arduino. Our supervisor Dr. B Lashmi Devi ma'am, presented by Atanu Mandal, Sandeep Reddy, Dilip Kumar. This is the abstract of our project.
Project name is IoT based air quality checking system using gas sensor and Arduino. This is a LCD screen, Arduino, USB modular, USB module, Wi-Fi module. These three sensors, MQ4, MQ5, and MQ7. MQ4 used to detect methane gas, and MQ5 detect to grow gas like H2 gas and LPG, methane, alcohol traces can be detected by MQ5 sensor, and MQ7 sensor is useful to detect the carbon monoxide, and it have four pins. One is VCC, ground, and digital out, and analog out. These VCC and ground connected to each other with all three sensors, and it connected with Arduino Nano, and this VCC and 5 volt 5 volt pins are connected with again with LCD screen, and from LCD screen another two wires are need to connect uh, with the Arduino Nano. That names are serial data and serial clock. Serial data is useful to carries the signal from send and receive the data, and clock signal is used to carries the clock signal from each second. It carries the message from screen LCD screen to Arduino, and Arduino two pins are connected with USB module D1 from A to A5 A4 and A5 to with D series pins with USB module, Wi-Fi module, and from analog signals from three sensors come can connect with Arduino A1 and A2 and A3 pins, and middle one is buzzer. It also connect with Arduino and USB module. When we connect with the power supply, it shows that signals from air. This M1 means MQ4 sensor. It shows in ppm values. If it is get exceeded means if it is getting exceeded from, it gives alert signal, and it gives blow light, green light if it is exceeded value. M3 does not exceeded up to 200. If it is exceeded means it give alert signal.
This is the software part of our project. We have installed some packages in C drive to run the local server environment. Now we are opening command prompt from C drive address bar by typing cmd. While it's open, we can see that we are in our air pollution.
We need to go activate file to activate script file.
Then we need to type cd dot dot two times to, and after that cd app to go to the cd app folder. Finally, you typed here Python file name, which he coded and executed that file name, and then we have to copy the URL which are getting here.
And then we have to paste it in a new tab in Chrome. Then we can see we are getting the live output which we are getting in the LED screen. at the same time where we can see the output in our command prompt also. Using the Firebase, we are taking the database, and here is our project hardware part. We can see that in LED screen also we are seeing the output, the same output we are getting in the web page which has been created. We have coded the node MCU and we have connected with the Firebase cloud server, and we are taking the real-time data to to that cloud server, and from that we are retrieving the data to the system, and then we are showing the output in the web page. That's all about the software part of our project. Thank you everyone.